So I gave my kids a greens powder every single day for the past few weeks, and now they literally beg me for it every morning because they think it's a vanilla milkshake. Hi, I'm Anjali. I'm a board certified health coach and nutritionist, and today I'm reviewing Haya Kids Daily Greens and Superfoods in their vanilla flavor. This is one of the only greens powders I found that's actually designed with kids in mind. And in this review, I'm going to tell you if it's actually worth it, if your kids will actually drink it, and who should buy it. So let's get into it. Now, before I jump into talking about this particular greens powder, let me just talk about kids nutrition and greens in general for a minute. Because here's the reality that I think that all of us as parents struggle with. Even if you're making balanced meals, even if you're trying your best, the reality is that life gets busy. Some days your kids are eating balanced meals and you can call it a win, but other days they're refusing any bite of anything green and you're just trying to make your way through dinner. My kids used to be picky eaters, and during that stage, I would have done anything to just get more nutrients into them. At that point in our lives, I was so tired of the dinner time battles that I would have turned to any product that had the nutrition that I was looking for that they would actually eat or drink. Now my kids eat a pretty balanced diet and they're not really that picky anymore, but I still use this greens powder as nutritional insurance because I know that every day isn't perfect and they're not going to get all the nutrients that they need every single day. When I tried other greens powders with my kids, the problem that I found was that many of those greens powders weren't really designed for kids, they were designed for adults. And by that I mean they're packed with like herbs and adaptogens that haven't really been tested on kids. Or the nutrient levels were way too high for kids. Or maybe they were designed for kids, but they just didn't taste that good. That's why when Haya told me that they created a greens powder specifically for kids, I was super excited to test it with my own kids for a couple of weeks. So my kids drank this every single day for actually a whole month, for 30 days. So I'm gonna give you my honest review about what they thought and also what I thought and what I would recommend in terms of this product. So what exactly is Haya Kids Daily Greens and Superfoods? And why is this different from every other greens powder out there? So first, Haya Daily Greens, made with 55 whole food sourced ingredients. So let me break down what's inside. There are 4 blends in this greens powder, so I'm gonna walk you through each one. So the first blend is just their essential green. This includes organic kale, wheatgrass, alfalfa, barley grass, oatgrass, spirulina, cholera, and more. These are the nutrient-dense greens that most kids are not eating enough of. Now the second blend, these are the kids' superfoods. This is organic acai, broccoli, beets, banana, cranberry, mango, pineapple, blueberry, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, onions, parsley, green pepper, raspberry, strawberry, spinach, tart cherry, tomato, asparagus, and cucumbers. This is basically the entire farmer's market in one scoop. Now the third blend, this is all focused on kids' digestion. This includes organic quinoa, amaranth, buckwheat, millet, apple, cinnamon, chia, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and digestive enzymes. This supports gut health and actually helps your kid absorb all of these nutrients. And then the fourth blend is focused on core development. So it includes marine algae for calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, potassium, and a little bit of protein. These are the foundational nutrients that kids need for growth, bone health, and brain development. And here is what you will not find in these daily greens. You won't find any added sugar, any artificial food dyes, there are no artificial flavors, no GMO ingredients, and it's gluten-free, dairy-free, and vegan. It's sweetened with a little bit of organic vanilla powder and stevia, and that's it. So let me show you what it looks like. So when you get it, it comes with this really cute little can, and then it also comes with this pouch, and this is where the greens powder actually is, and you just dump it into this can, and so that way you're not wasting a lot of plastic when you run out of the greens. You'll just get a refill like this and then you just refill your can. So it's actually like really convenient. So let's talk a little bit about what it tastes like. When I said that my kids think this tastes like a vanilla milkshake, I'm not exaggerating. When you mix this with milk, and really any type of milk, regular milk or a plant-based milk, it's super creamy and perfectly sweet. And you cannot taste the greens at all. I tasted it myself, and personally, I actually like this better than most adult greens powders on the market because it genuinely tastes good and I feel really good about the ingredients. So the way I typically serve this is I just fill a shaker cup with some ice and my kids' favorite plant-based milk, which is usually unsweetened almond milk. Then I just mix 1 scoop of the greens into the shaker cup and shake it up. And I serve it to them cold. Some parents also add it to oatmeal or mix it into yogurt, or you can even bake with it because the flavor is pretty versatile. But my kids really just love drinking it mixed with milk, so that's how I serve it to them every day. In terms of the serving size, it's just 1 scoop for kids ages 2 and up. Sometimes if my kids are having an especially unhealthy day, I will give them 2 scoops for an extra nutrient boost, but that's because they're older. So my kids are 12 and 8, so if they were 2, I would probably just stick to 1 scoop. So in terms of any changes that I noticed after the 30 days of trying the greens, I just noticed that their digestion seemed a little bit more regular overall, and I just felt good that they were getting that extra nutrient boost every single day. So I wasn't really worried if they had a day where they literally didn't eat a vegetable. But one thing I want to note is that this is not meant to replace vegetables. This is a supplement, so I really do use it as that nutritional insurance. I still recommend that you offer fruits and veggies, whole grains, lean proteins at every single meal. But this is a convenient way to fill in the gaps, or for picky eaters that refuse to eat any greens at all. Now, I will mention that Haya Greens also comes in a chocolate flavor, which kind of tastes like chocolate milk, but surprisingly, my kids actually love the vanilla flavor even more. Now, one thing I want to mention is just the rigorous testing that Haya does across all of their products, including these greens. Now, greens in general, because they absorb so much of the heavy metals that are in the soil, can be a high source of heavy metals, especially when they are concentrated into greens powders. So I really appreciate that Haya tests all of their powders and all of their products for heavy metals, and their greens powder is Clean Label Purity Project certified, which means that it's third-party tested for heavy metals, contaminants, and microbials. Also, their facilities are FDA registered and follow good manufacturing practices. So I just feel really good about this product and giving it to my kids because I know that it's safe. So who would I recommend this for? This is perfect for parents who have picky eaters that refuse to eat a vegetable. But it's also great for busy families that just don't have the time to make perfectly balanced meals every single day. I've also found it especially beneficial for my kids when they're going through growth spurts or just need a little extra nutritional support. Now, if your kid already eats a ton of vegetables every day and already eats a ton of greens and he has a super balanced diet, then they might not need this. But let's be honest, what kid actually fits that description? So in terms of the price, a 1-month supply costs $42. But Haya offers 50% off your first order, so you can try this for just $21. And after that, it's just a monthly subscription at the regular price. But at $21, which is less than $1 a day for your kid, I personally think that that's worth it to try it out. And in terms of where to buy this, you can buy it directly off of Haya's website, and I'll drop a link to that in the description below. So the bottom line is that I think that Haya Greens and the vanilla flavor or the chocolate flavor, my kids prefer the vanilla flavor, is a great product and can benefit most kids. As I mentioned, it tastes amazing. It's made with 55 whole food-based ingredients, 0 added sugar, third-party tested, and specifically designed for kids. It's not a replacement for vegetables by any means, but it is great to fill in the gaps. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because I post honest reviews just like this about the best products for kids every single week. And if you have any questions at all, be sure to leave a comment below because I respond to every single question I get.